Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is Heron's formula. This is chapter 12 of standard 9. Heron's formula is useful for finding area of triangle whenever you know its three sides measurement. Generally we use half base into height formula for finding area of triangle. But that formula you should apply for height and base. But whenever three sides measurement is given, you should be apply this Heron's formula. I introduce Heron's formula here. Suppose you have one triangle A, B and C. Suppose this AB sides measurement I take small a, BC sides measurement small b and AC sides measurement small c. Now for applying this Heron's formula, first of all you should be find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, that means parameters half. So first of all you should be find perimeter. Perimeter, that means sum of all sides. That means this side's addition, this side's and this side additions. This is called its perimeter. After finding perimeter, you should be find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, that means perimeter divided by 2. That means S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. After finding semi-perimeter, you apply this formula for finding area of triangle ABC by using Heron's formula. Square root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Where S is the semi-perimeter, A, B and C is the sides measurement of given triangle. Let us consider one example based on this Heron's formula. Find area of equilateral triangle whose side is x centimeter or meter, whatever you need. Now here you have triangle and this is the equilateral. That means its all sides are equal and its measurement is given x centimeter. So this is your x, this is your x, this is your x. Suppose I take this triangle is A, B and C. This thing is given. So its sides measurement is given. So definitely you should apply Heron's formula. So first of all find out S. S, that means AB plus BC plus AC divided by 2. That means sum of all sides divided by 2, semi-perimeter. So here S is x plus x divided by 2. So 3x by 2. This is the value of S. After this, by Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to area of equilateral triangle, square root. Write this formula and put corresponding value. So instead of S you should be write 3x by 2. So 3x by 2, 3x by 2 minus A. A is the sides of this measurement and this is the x. So you should be write here x. Similarly x by 2 minus B and B is x here. Similarly S by minus C, that means 3x by 2 minus x. Now simplify this. So you got this is 3x by 2. To multiply here by taking LCM, simplification of these fractions in subtraction. So 3x minus 2x become 1x and divided by 2. So x by 2, similarly here x by 2, similarly here x by 2. Now for removing this square root, you should be make pair of 2 to same digit or same variable. So here you got root 3 and this is the x into x square. So root x square, this is x into x square, root x square. I take individual square root. Same way 2 into 2 square, so square root of 2 square. Similarly 2 into 2 square root of 2 square. Now square root remove everywhere, but here is not, because this is not a pair of 2 digits. So you got root 3 into x divided by 2 into 2. So finally you got root 3 by 2 x square. And you can write its unit centimeter square because we know area's unit is either centimeter square or meter square. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4. Sorry, here 2 into 2, 4. Root 3 by 4 side square. If side's measurement is x, you should be right here x. If side's measurement is a, you write here a square. Now consider second example based on this Heron's formula. Find the area of triangle. Two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm. And the parameter is 32 cm. First you should be write what is given in your question. Here in triangle ABC, two sides measurement is given. I suppose to take this is A, this is B and this is C. So write here AB is equal to A is equal to 8 cm, BC is equal to B is equal to 11 cm and perimeter given. So perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, sum of all sides. This is equal to 32 cm. Now for applying Heron's formula, first of all you have all three sides measurement, but you have two sides. You does not know three sides, third side. So first of all you want to find third side's measurement. How? Putting value A and B here. So value of A is 8, value of B is 11, C you should be right as it is because you want to find. 8 plus 11 is 19 plus C is equal to 32. So C is equal to 32 minus 19. So value of C is equal to 32 minus 19. So here 12, so 3 and here 2, so 1. So this is your value of C. Now after finding value of C, A and B you know apply Heron's formula. So you can write by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to, write its formula first, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put corresponds value. You don't know S, so first of all find out S. S is equal to P by 2, 32 by 2. So your S is equal to 16. Put value, S is 16, right here 16. Then S is 16, your A is 8. S is 16, your B is 11. S is 16, your C is 13. 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 minus 11 is 5. 16 minus 13 is 3. Now take prime factor of insides. Sixty's prime factor is 4 into 4, that means 2 square into 2 square. So you can write square root 2 square into 2 square. 8 factor is 2 square into 2 because 4 2s are 8. 5 and 3 is the prime number, so its prime factorization itself 5 into 3. Now remove square root, so square root will be cancelled. So here 2 into 2 into 2 and inside bracket this 3. 2 into 5 into 3. So your answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 in square root, 2 5s are 10 and 10 3s are 30 centimeter square. So this is the area of given triangle, whatever given information is given. Similarly, you can find out area of triangle by using Heron's formula. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.